Hi, I'm Madelyn Bushman, and I'm a graduate student at Southern Utah University, and I completed my bachelor's degree in 2 years. Let me tell you how I did it. First, I took 16 to 18 credits every semester. Second, I enrolled in summer semester classes. And third, I earned college credit in high school with concurrent enrollment courses. Fourth, I worked closely with my advisor to set up a degree plan that would allow my goal to work. Fifth, I took both in-person and online courses. I knew SUU could help me accomplish my educational goals, and with their help and my determination, I was able to succeed. If you are wanting to graduate sooner than the expected 4 years, it is possible. DegreeWorks is one way to plan ahead and create a degree plan. In your DegreeWorks, all degree plans are going to be different based on how many credits you have transferred over and what your declared major is. But you can still apply this information as a guide to create your own plan that will allow you to graduate sooner than the expected 4-year length. You're going to want to go over your degree progress located under the Worksheets tab in DegreeWorks, where you can review all the required courses that you will need to graduate. You're going to have your general education requirements and then your major. With that, you're going to be able to also click on every single course that is required to see a course description, when it's offered, and if there's any prerequisites or registration restrictions. If you are wanting to see what your degree would look like with a different major, you will go into the What If section, where you can choose a different degree. This is just to see where it will take your progress and what credits will transfer and what courses you will then need to take. But this is only applicable if you're wanting to switch majors or see what it would look like with a minor or concentration. Now you're going to want to go to the Plans tab at the top, and you can click New Plan, where you can select a template that's already pre-existing, or you can create a blank plan. So let's click on this one. I've already created a template for an online marketing bachelor's degree, so we're going to use that today. So once you have your template, you can move your courses to stack your semesters to 16 to 18 credits, which will speed up your degree plan. Just like that. You can also move them over to a term, and then you can create a degree plan that will stack it up on the semesters that you want. But if you treat this tool as a puzzle, you can create a degree plan that will allow you to graduate sooner and be organized when going to register for your courses. Our advisors are here to help you succeed and pursue your educational goals. Click the button below to learn about my story or visit suu.edu/online today.